Hi and welcome back. In this part, what we're doing, we are telling the memory the size of this array. So in this case, our array of num array will have 5 elements. So if I take this to ID 1, so there, and then if you come back, now this will populate the array. So we know that we have arrays that have this array that has 5 elements, and now we want to give those elements some kind of a value. Since we declared our array as integers, we are giving the first one an integer 20, the second one 55, the third element 30, the fourth element that, and you can see the index goes only up to 4 because it started from 0. Arrays are 0-based indexes. Arrays use 0-based indexes. So that's why it starts from 0 to 4. So what this part does, this part will populate our array with 5 elements and then initialize each of those elements with these values. So if I take this to ID 1, I will add that one here. So this one initializes the array, this one declares the array, this one allocates the size of the array. So if I come back here, so we've initialized the array. We know that these elements are now in the array. Now we want to access the array elements and output them on the screen. So in Java, this is how to output something in a new line. If you want to, you remember in C++ we were using cout. We were using cout, and then whatever element was to be couted, we put it somewhere there. Now system.out.println, this one will give us, it will output this for us. And the first thing here, this is just text that will be displayed on the screen, and it will display the number at index 0 is, and then plus, this plus right here, this is a join or a concatenation. It's going to concatenate or join these two. So it will first of all display this, and then it will join it with the array element. So this is how you access an array element, and this will display the array element. So for example, for this one, num array at index 0, it will give us the value 20, and then at array num array 1 will give us 55 all the way up to 4. If you want to access the fourth array, you will use num array index of 4, and that will give us 0. So let me take this to ID 1 so that we can see exactly what pans out. Now this is what I've added, and this will display this on the screen, the number at index 0 is, and then it will replace this. Now this will act as a variable, and it is a placeholder. It is referencing the value of the array here. These arrays which have been initialized here, their values will be replaced and will replace this value if we run this code. So before I end the video, let me just run this so that we can see exactly what's going on. So if we run that, you see it gives us the number at index 0 is 20, the number at index 1 is 55. So that is what is being done by this. This is outputting this statement the way we have written it here, and then replacing it with the array value, the array element which is at this index. So the one at 0 is 20, the one at 1 is 55, and so on. So let's continue from here in the next video.